Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm getting ready for going out for a buffet lunch. I love going out for meals and I'm going to go with a brownish, copperish eye makeup look, kind of a little smoky and light lips or pale lips because I'm going to eat a lot. Although I've done my skin routine, sunscreen, everything after my shower, I still always moisturize my face before I start makeup. My skin routine is there in the video section. If this is on YouTube, then you'll find it on the playlist called My Daily Makeup. And in Facebook, just go into the video section and you'll find it. I'm going to use a little bit of liquid foundation. You can see exactly how much I'm using, which is why these bottles last very long for me. And I need to repeat, I do not like to layer or have thick layers of makeup on my face because it does not look natural. Just blend this out all over the face. Every product that I use is captioned in the video. If you type in the exact name, you'll find them on Nykaa or Tira Beauty or Sephora or some of them also on Amazon. The reason I don't share links is because they expire within a month. Also, I'm just using my personal products. You don't have to use the same thing. For example, if I'm using a brown eyeshadow, you can use a brown eyeshadow of any brand. It doesn't have to be the same one that I use. Anyway, I'm going to use some concealer and blend it out. So what I was saying is don't follow the brands, follow the shades, follow the shapes of the brushes and just follow the technique. And your makeup life is going to be super easy. I was supposed to use these contact lenses before the makeup, which I forgot, so I'm using it now. For daily makeup, I like using a powder-based contour with a soft brush because I don't want harsh lines. I like makeup that looks soft, so blending everything with patience is a must. Use a blush of your choice. I use a cream based blush because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, go for a powder based one. Now take any brown eyeshadow and a soft eyeshadow brush and put it all over your upper eyelid till your crease line. Your crease line is your guide, that's where you stop. If you have hooded eyes, take it a little higher, but please blend it with patience. Also, every time you take some eyeshadow, tap off the extra product from the brush. This will make sure that your look is not patchy and you won't have a lot of fallout on the face. I find eyeshadows way more easy than eyeliners, especially liquid eyeliners, because a pencil eyeliner or a stick eyeliner you can always blend out. But for a liquid eyeliner, you need a really steady hand, and in my case, it takes very long. But eyeshadows are a game changer if you understand and use it well. Anyway, take any shimmer shade. Here I'm taking a copper shade, and I'm going to just dab it on top of my eyelid. Make sure that the shimmer shade is exactly on the upper eyelid and does not cross the crease line. Now go back in with a dark brown eyeshadow and a pencil brush and line your lower lash line. I don't bring it all the way in. That way the eyes look really bright and opened up. How thick you want this line is really up to you. Keep it flexible. If you want it thicker, go lower. Pencil brushes are available in many brands. Just type pencil brush and choose one of your own choice and budget. I'm using the same brown eyeshadow a little bit on my upper eyelid just to give it a definition. I always set my eyebrows with a gel so that it stays in place. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. Don't be afraid of using a mascara. Most people are because of the fact that they wonder how to remove it. Just use some coconut oil, soften it and use baby wipes. It'll come off completely. I always prep my lips with a new lip liner. This makes sure that the lipstick stays on longer, and if you have pigmented lips, it takes care of it and the lipstick looks better. Then I'm using a darker lip liner to define my lips. Dab and blend out the darker lip liner so that it doesn't pop out. I'm using this nude shade by Color Bar. It's called Stunt. I use it a lot because it goes with most Indian skin tones. I'm going to use a lip gloss because a little more glam never hurts. I'm going to just take my Studio Fix and set the makeup. You could use a loose powder or a compact of your choice as well. I love using a good highlighter. It adds a beautiful glow and a shine. My makeup is done. Hope you like it. Do give it a try. You can try the same technique even with different colors. Hope you liked it. I'll see you soon.